So this is AZ-104 lab number 14, implement monitoring. Let's first download the lab files and log in into our Azure portal. So all the files are being downloaded. It's being downloaded already. And let's start our lab. So lab introduction is in this lab you learn about Azure Monitor. You learn to create an alert and send it to an action group. You trigger and test the alert, check the activity log. Lab scenario. Your organization has migrated their infrastructure to Azure. It is important that administrators are notified of any significant infrastructure changes. You plan to examine the capabilities of Azure Monitor, including log analytics. So this is going to be the architecture diagram. Task 1 is to create a VM. Task 2 is alert delete virtual machine. Task 3 is send an email. Task 4 is trigger the alert, and task 5 is add a processing rule, and final task is log query. So task 1, use a template to provision an infrastructure. Okay. Let's go to deploy a custom plate. And then we going to build our own template in the editor. Load file. We need file from labs, lab number 11, and template JSON. Select save. Okay. Resource group, create new. Okay. Yes, now the template is uploaded. Let's save this and create new resource group with this value. It is already created. Username is going to be local admin. Password I am going to give. Review and create. And let's create. Let's wait until this deployment is done. So deployment is completed. Let's go to resources. There should be one virtual network and one virtual machine. There is one virtual network and one virtual machine. Configure Azure Monitor for virtual machine. Let's go to Monitor, Application Insights, Container Insights, VM Insights, Network Insights. Select View in the VM Insight and then Configure Insights. Select your virtual machine and then enable. Take the default for subscription and data collection rule, then configure. It will take few minutes for the virtual machine agent to install. Proceed to the next step. So task 2 is to create an alert. Let's go to monitor page and select alert. Select create alert rule. Select the box for the resource group and then select apply. This alert will apply to any virtual machine in this resource group. Alternatively, you could just specify one particular machine. Select the condition and then select see all signals. Search for and select delete virtual machine. Virtual machine and select apply. In the alert logic area, scroll down. Review the event level and leave default of all selected. Review the status. Leave the default all selected. Leave the create an alert rule pane open for the next task. Next task 3 is configure action group notification. In this task, if the alert is triggered, send an email notification to the operation team. Continue working on your alert. Next, select next action and then create an action group. Did you know you can add up to 5 action groups to an alert rule? Action groups are executed concurrently in no specific order. Multiple alert rules can use the same action group. On Basic tab, enter these values. Action group name is alert the operation team. Display name is alert OPS teams. Next is notification. Email, SMS, and push message. Select email in the email box, enter your email address, and then select OK. Name is going to be VM was deleted. Inside notification, we have created select SMS, yes, and VM was deleted. Select email, and then we have enter my email. You should receive an email notification saying you were added to an action group. There may be few minutes delay, but that is a sure sign the rule has deployed. Okay, next review and create this group. So action group is created. Next is on detail. Alert role name is VM was deleted. Description is a VM new resource group was deleted. Review and create. Alert rule created. And task 4 is trigger an alert and confirm it is working. In this task, you trigger the alert and confirm a notification is sent. If you delete the virtual machine before the alert rule deploys, the alert rule might not be triggered. So before deleting this virtual machine, let me log in into my email and we will see that I'm going to receive a notification. So as we can see, I have received an email. You have been added to an Azure Monitor action group. Let's continue with task 4. In virtual machine, now we are going to delete this virtual machine. Let's wait until this virtual machine is deleted, and then I am going to receive an email that will confirm that the rule we have created is successfully deployed. Okay, the virtual machine is deleted. You should receive a notification email that read this. Let's confirm. Till now I haven't received any notification. Let's wait for a few seconds. I haven't received the email till now, so let's continue with the next step and we will see that I am going to receive an email or not. So let's go to monitor, then select alerts. Okay, says you should have three verbose alerts that were generated by deleting VM0, but we haven't received a single one. It takes a few minutes for the alert email to be sent and for the alerts to be updated in the portal. If we don't want to wait, continue to the next task and then return. Okay, this sounds good. So task fifth is configure an alert processing rule. In this task, you create an alert blade and select alert processing rule. Rule settings, and then suppress notification. Select Scheduling. Under scheduling, by default, the rule work all the time unless you disable it or configure a schedule. You are going to define a rule to suppress notification during overnight maintenance. Enter the setting for the scheduling of the alert processing rule. Apply at a specific time. Start 10 p.m. Okay, start date is 5 and the time is 10 p.m. So that's 7 a.m. Next is detail, planned maintenance. So when we are doing maintenance, this notification is suppressed. So select review and create. Task 6 is use Azure Monitor log query. In this task, you will use Azure Monitor to query the data captured from virtual machine. Go to Monitor and click Logs. Select Scope your resource group and apply. In the Query tab, select Virtual Machine. Review the query that are available. Heartbeat insight metrics. Run over the query. Let's Okay, we need to count heartbeat query. Yes, we have run the heartbeat query. Let's run the count heartbeats. So there are 5 heartbeat queries. Review the result in chart. So time generated is 6:10 p.m. Average value is given. Computer is given BM0. And I also have received this email, which we haven't received before. So Azure Monitor alert VM was activated for this and at June 5 and the time is given. You are receiving this notification as member of Alert OPS team action group because an Azure Monitor alert was activated. This is the ID from which the VM is deleted. The property is given, the resource ID is given, level informational, and we have option to view it in Azure portal. Then we have to sign in. Okay, let's review the alerts. So as it says, we have received the alerts as well. VM was deleted, VM was deleted. Alert condition is fire. So this lab is completed. Thank you.